In this video, we will see the sales module of the Odoo ERP. Click on the sales application and you will find an interface like this. Click on Create in the quotations menu. A new form will appear. You can simply type Odoo in the field of the customer, then you'll find all the customers internally stored in your system. Or you can manually type the customer's name and everything will be automatically filled. After that, click on Add a Product menu and select the product. Here I am selecting a few of sample products, and you can also change the configurations of the product as I am changing the color and legs type here. Also, you can add or reduce the product quantity. You can create multiple products as you want. Then you can also create sections to make the products look arranged for the client's view. Simply drag and drop the sections as you want. Click on Save and your quotation will be saved. Click on the Print option and select Quotation Order, where the sales order quotation will be downloaded in the form of PDF, and it looks something like this. By clicking on the customer preview, you can view the quotations seen by the customer. The customer can sign and pay the quotation sent to confirm the sale order. You can also create an invoice by clicking here and entering the details. There is another option called Send by Email, where you can send the quotation in the form of an email. Once the quotation is sent and accepted, the quotation will be accepted and automatically moved to a sales order, or you can do it manually too. And if the quotation has converted to a sales order, then the delivery option will be automatically generated. You can also see how the sales order will look to customers by clicking on the customer preview button. This is how the sales order looks to the customer. The customer can download or print the sales order and click on the customers to create new customers, and click on the orders to see all the sales orders. That's it for this video. We will be back with a different video soon. Until then, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching.